Welcome! So in this video, I'm going to show you a guide on how to fix ShadowPlay not recording. So if NVIDIA ShadowPlay is not recording as expected, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. So ShadowPlay is a feature provided by NVIDIA. So I'm just going to go ahead and pronounce this word as NVIDIA. So I'm sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong. Okay? So, NVIDIA GeForce Experience that allows users to capture and record gameplay on their NVIDIA graphics card equipped PCs. Here are some steps to help you fix a shadow play not recording. So, first, check GeForce Experience version. So, ensure that you have the latest version of NVIDIA GeForce Experience installed. Visit the official NVIDIA website to download and install the most recent version if necessary. Then next, check game compatibility. Make sure that the game you are trying to record is compatible with ShadowPlay. Some older or less popular games may not be supported. Enable ShadowPlay in GeForce Experience. Open GeForce Experience, so go to Settings and navigate to the Privacy Control tab. Make sure that a share is enabled. Next, adjust recording settings. Within GeForce Experience, go to the Settings tab and select Recordings. Check that the recording settings are configured correctly, including the desired resolution, frame rate, and bitrate. Next, check storage location. So ensure that you have enough free space on the designated storage location for your recordings. ShadowPlay may not record if there is insufficient space on your hard drive. Next, update graphic drivers. So ensure that your NVIDIA graphics drivers are up to date. You can update them through GeForce Experience or by visiting the NVIDIA website and downloading the latest drivers for your graphics card. Disable conflicting software. So sometimes other recording or streaming software can interfere with a shadow play. Try disabling or installing any other recording or streaming software you might have running on your system. Next, disable Window Game Bar. So the Windows Game Bar and other overlay features might conflict with shadow play. Disable the Windows Game Bar in Windows. So go to Settings, select Gaming, then Game Bar. Next, run GeForce Experience and Game as administrator. So right-click on GeForce Experience and your game executable, then choose Run as administrator to ensure sufficient privileges. So perform a clean installation of graphics drivers. So that is the last one. Okay? So if none of the previous steps work, you can try performing a clean installation of the NVIDIA graphics drivers. Use the custom installation option during the driver installation process and choose the perform a clean installation checkbox. So if the problem persists after trying these steps, you may want to check the NVIDIA support forums or contact NVIDIA's support team for further assistance. So that is how you fix NVIDIA ShadowPlay not recording. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!